Hello guys, welcome back to Creations YouTube channel. Today I'll be breaking down how to install and how to use the new ccEATS pack for Final Cut Pro. Once we installed the file, we need to open our Finder, go to Downloads, and here we will have a zip named ccEATS Final Cut Pro. If we double click for unzip, it will appear a ccEATS folder. Inside we have a ccEATS manual product in case you need it. And this is the folder we need to drag and drop to our titles. So for it, just select it and let's drag it to Movies, Motion Templates, and as a title, we will just drop it in Titles. Since I already have the file installed, this message won't appear to you. I will say stop. Make sure you have your Final Cut Pro closed so it can upload the title and generator list. Let's open our Final Cut Pro. And this would be our project. In my case, is an image. We need to go to the left side of our screen where it says Titles and Generators. Choose the ccEATS project, and we will have the ccEATS pack. This pack includes 5 titles in 3 aspect ratios. That means 4, 5 portrait and landscape. And also we have 5 groups of 10 icons each and 10 lower thirds, and I will just show you guys how it works. As I have a landscape picture, let's drag and drop a landscape title. So let's just select the number 2, drag and drop to your timeline, select your title and go to the right side of your screen. Here we have the publish parameters. The first thing we see is the build in and build out, that if you turn off the build in or the build out, it will turn off the animation of the title. Down below we see a position and scale. This is only for the text because we have 3 aspect ratios, so you can't move the title. The next section we see is the text. So we see an animation on off for the title 1, its position and scale, the same for the title 2. And if we scroll down, we see an element section. We can see the first thing is a motion wave speed. So the title has a wave animation, and this slider is for turning off or turning on, or just increase the wave movement. Here we see the shapes 1 and shapes 2, so we can turn off or turn on these 2 shapes. And for the last thing, we have the color section, and you can change them as you need to match your project. As we have few icons, I will show you guys how it works. So let's just pick the number 1, for example, drag and drop to your timeline, select your title, and go back to the right side of your screen. You will see again the same parameters, the build in and build out, position and scale. And here it says swing amount. This is very similar to the wave move. So if we play the animation, we see it's swinging. And if you slide it to the left, it will be 0. That means you will turn off the swing. And if you slide to the right, it will increase the swing. Below this, we see an icon selection. This is very useful to turn off or turn on each icon, so you can just have the ones that you need. For the last thing, we have the color section. So the black is for the outline. That will change all the outlines for the icons. So if you need or if you want different colors, I recommend you guys to pick as many titles as icons you need and just turn on 1 icon per 1 title, so you can adjust the position, the scale and the colors separately. One more thing I would like to show you is the lower third. So for example, let's pick the first one, drag and drop to your timeline, go back to publish parameters, and same, we have the build in and build out, a global position and global scale, same parameters for title 1 and title 2, and element section, we can see the motion wave speed, same as the other titles. We also have position, rotation and scale only for the shape, and again the color section, so you can change them again as you need. Alright guys, so this is it. It's as simple as that. I hope this video helped you to understand how to install and how to use the ccEATS pack for Final Cut Pro. If you have any further questions, please do let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and Make sure to tag us in your content with hashtag made with CCreation. See you guys in the next tutorial.